Hello everyone, this is Soumyaranjan Misra, Technical Engineer at Semco Infratech Private Limited. Our company provides solutions for lithium-ion battery manufacturing. Today I am going to show you the connection and operation of SICT 5V 60A 32 channel cell testing device. This cell tester is used for testing and capacity grading of prismatic type cells. This machine requires 3-phase connections and for voltage range is up to 390 to 415 volt. Power consumption is 12.8 kilowatt. In this cell tester, individual channels can be programmed and tested for both R&D and production purpose. Why should we use this device? After purchasing new cells, we need to check the charging and discharging characteristic and its capacity for making a proper good battery pack. And also you can do capacity sorting with this device. So we choose this cell testing machine for prismatic type cells testing, capacity grading and characteristic checking. This is the input supply for the machine. The 3-phase supply is connected, RYB and neutral is connected, and also earthing is connected. Here the input charging discharging cable for cells are connected. Here you can see 4 cells are connected for charging and discharging, and this is for V sensing wire, and it has 2 types of connection, and this simple one for wire connection, and this one is for cable type. You can connect with different cells. Here you can see the interface for this machine software. Here you can see 16 boxes with each box having 2 channels. Total 32 channels are visible. For programming, first initial for communication you have to go to settings, initial, and here you have to select the machine core, and for communication you have to select which COM port is connected. For COM port communication you have to connect this RS485 communication cable. The RS485 communication cable USB converter is required for communication, and here it is connected in COM3, so the communication is online at COM3. After that you have to go to control panel for programming. Here you can see the program is given for constant voltage CC and CV mode charging at 40 ampere up to 3.6 for high cutoff for prismatic cells, and then rest for 2 minutes, and again discharging at constant current for 40 ampere up to 2.5, which is the lower cutoff of the prismatic cell. And this is the program this type of program you can give, and for running the program you have to click on the send. After sending you will start the program. So here after sending we have to select which box number is connected to the cell. Here in our machine number 9 and 10 number channel is connected to the cells. So we will select 9 and 10 and click on OK to start. So here you can see 3 channels are connected and working properly. Here this channel number 9-1 and -2 are currently working properly, as 40 ampere is working and the voltage is increasing. And in channel number 10, the error, here you can see the error, if error says, then this channel will show like this in red color, indicating that there is some error. Now these cells are shifted to rest mode, and after running for some time, you can, after clicking on it, you can see the graph also. Here you can see the voltage graph and current graph, and for in seconds data you click on this details and you can find each second data also. And for taking the export file, you can click on here data file and open the file. according to the date number and testing date. you will find the data, click on it and open, and here the data will be visible, and from here you can export the data in Excel file. You can see the Excel file data is created with all the stage data, curve, cycle data, everything is visible with this Excel data. So this is all about for the software operation in this machine. With this machine, certain number of issues arises, such as communications and software compatibility, data error, and voltage related problem arises. In communication issues, normally the RS485 communication is removed or IP address need to be set properly. In compatibility issue, when the antivirus or Windows firewall is active, this issue arises. For this issue, we need to turn off the antivirus or firewall. Then this issue is resolved. For data related issues, we have to set the data path, because sometimes what happens, automatically the data path is changed or might have improperly set. So for that reason the data issue arises. So for that you have to select a proper data file path and then run the program. Then voltage related issue arises when input side voltage is more than this input voltage recommended voltage, which is 390 to 415 voltage. If it increases above that voltage, then the voltage related issues arises, such as PCB or SMPS might get damaged. This is all about this machine SI CT 5V 60A 32 channel cell tester. For live demo or more other machines operation demo, you can visit our head office in Patparganj Industrial Area, New Delhi. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.